What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm going to do a quick home decor Goodwill haul. I purchased these about 2 weeks ago. You see they still in the bag. That's real talk. I've just not taken them out. And so I just wanted to share with y'all so I can put these bad boys up. So the first item is this cute frame, guys. Y'all, this is too cute. And I thought the price was decent. Only $3.99. And this Jones is heavy. I got it upside down. But yeah, I'll get the gist of it. So you got that cute little frame. Then I got another cute little frame. If it will come off the back. Thanks. Yes. Thought that was real cute. And I like the color of this frame and the details. And I'm thinking about doing maybe like a frame wall in my bedroom, but I'm not sure. But when I saw this, I'm like, this is too cute. And this one was only $2.99. Okay, the next bag. What do we have in here, people? Let's look. Alrighty then. I got this cute little tripod. I already have a tripod, but this one I like because it's small. It got some weight to it. So I feel more comfortable with my bigger camera on here. And this is the brand. And this one actually extends as like a regular floor tripod. So you can have it on your desk or, you know, have it standing on the floor. And this was only, what did John say? It's not, $2.99. I thought that was a decent price. So, way to go, tripod. Then I got this cute little heart shelf hanger thing. It was only 99 cents. And I just thought it was cute. I don't know if y'all paid attention, but I've been getting a lot of heart-shaped items because I have a project in mind. So when I do see a heart and it's not that expensive, I go for it, especially if it's quality. Let me say it like that. If it's quality, I'll go ahead and hook it up. So, hey, cute heart. And then, even though I had already found one, but I wanted a wooden one, I found another cute rolling pin because I wanted a wooden one. I was like, oh yeah. And this one was only $2.99. So I thought that was a decent price. And it seemed like it's in good shape. So I got it. And I think it's cute. Rolling pin. And then I got these two cute little shelf-like things that I've been wanting. Because I have little shelving already. But this, like, you put against the wall, and you can put, like, books on, whatever, since it got that little ledge on it. And I'm like, okay, that's cute. And it was only $2.99. So, I got two of them. They had two. I got two. So, I just got to hammer that in or whatever. But, y'all, $2.99. Come on. Alrighty, last but not least, this is not the bag, what this is. We have, what do you call these? Not cake. Well, they could be cake pops, cookie pops, whatever. 2 trays. One is Mickey Mouse. And the other one is stars. It's 2 of them. And it came as a set, so I thought that was cute. I'm trying to get into baking, guys. And so for 2 of them, it was just $3.99 for the 2. I thought that was a good deal. And I have ideas of what I want to use it for. But I just thought it was cute, guys. And there you have it. Just a quick, cute home decor haul that I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video.